Let me ask you a question. Have you got the right level of life insurance? And do you even know how much cover you have? Well, I know some of you are sitting there thinking, actually, I haven't really looked at my life insurance, or at least not reviewed it in the last 5 years. If that's the case, well, there's good news. Most of us actually have some default level of life cover within our superannuation fund, so it's worth looking at that as a starting point. For those who don't know, life insurance just is quite simple. It provides a lump sum payout to your nominated spouse or beneficiaries in the event of your death. And in some cases, you may be able to receive a payout if you've been diagnosed with a terminal illness. Now, you're probably thinking this is not very fun to talk about, death and terminal illness, and you're right. But it's an important topic to discuss nonetheless, because I'm sure you'll agree we all want our loved ones to be looked after if we pass away and are no longer able to do it ourselves. So how much cover do you need? Well, that's a tricky one to answer, and it really depends on your personal circumstances. Some of the things we factor in are, do you want your family to be debt-free, so repay the mortgage, for example? Or ask yourself whether your partner is able to take on more work and provide more income for the family to replace your income. Or perhaps they need a lump sum of money to invest to actually draw income from in the future. You may want to cover off other expenses, future expenses, such as educational costs for the kids. So there's a range of topics and factors to consider when determining your level of cover. Now, as I've already touched on, you can hold life insurance inside superannuation, and that's great for affordability with your cash flow. But bear in mind that, of course, those premiums are paid using your retirement savings. So it's worthwhile putting a bit of extra money into super to effectively offset or replace those premiums. If you'd like to discuss your insurance needs further and would like some help to really look at all those factors and determine the right level of cover for you, please give us a call. I'd be more than happy to help you out and get you set up and give you some peace of mind knowing that your family will be looked after if you do happen to meet your fate. And on that cheery note, that's the end of the video. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.